Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hunger Hunt, and today we are going to make another recipe, okra milk curry, and it is very tasty and nutritious food which consists of lady's finger, coconut milk and other ingredients. So let us start with this. First we will take lady's finger. Lady's finger, first of all, we have to wash it very thoroughly. After washing, cut this into small pieces. See, it should cut in this way and it should not be very big or very small. And next ingredient is chili powder, coriander powder, salt, turmeric powder, curry leaves, chili, green chili, mustard seeds, onion, tamarind, coconut extract, coconut milk, first extract and second extract. Now we will start doing this lady's finger milk curry. First we will heat a pan and add some oil. When we are using oil, we should use a little bit more oil to that. Thereby this lady's finger or okra is fried well. So we have to stir it nicely. It will be taking few minutes, but patiently we have to do it. And when it is frying, we will be getting a sweet smell. And now it is done. Few more minutes we have to cook it or fry it. Yes, its color has changed now. Now we can remove it from the pan. And after that again keep the pan for the further process. Next we are adding little bit more oil to that. Then put mustard seeds. Let it burst. Now it's time to add onion. Here I have taken 2 small onion, cut into small pieces and mix it thoroughly. Along with that, I will add chilies, green chilies and curry leaves to that and saute it thoroughly. Thereby it will be mixed and fried. Just wait for onion to become brown. Now it's time to add some red chili. Make into small pieces. It will be adding flavor to the curry and it is very nice to get its flavor when we are having it. Now just put it and again fry it for some time, saute it for some time. Now it is done. Now we can add next ingredient, coriander powder. All the spices we can add now. Coriander powder added, and after that I'll add chili powder. These all are masalas, all that spices which you can take according to your wish. Okay, how much you need, you can take that much. Turmeric powder also added, and now salt to taste, and now saute it well. During this time our flame should be kept low, otherwise all these spices may get burned. Now I'll be adding the second extract, coconut milk. Then we will be just leaving it for some more time. The coconut milk will get concentrated. By that time I'll be extracting the tamarind juice out of it. Squeeze it well. I have taken only little bit of tamarind, maybe 25 grams. It should be squeezed well to get its extract, and after that we have to pour it into our pan, hot pan. Tamarind extract will get mixed nicely with all the spices which we had added to that, and it will be getting a nice flavor as well as its taste will be increasing. Now I'll be adding tamarind juice to the hot pan, and you can see that the second extract which we put in the pan have reduced to half, so it has become very concentrated. Now we will be leaving it for some time. Stir it well, then it will be boiling and it will be thoroughly mixing with the all spices which we have put in the pan. Now you can see it is boiling and a sweet smell is coming out of it. At this time I'll be adding fried lady's finger, and we will be leaving it for some time. That fried lady's finger, it should not get cooked for more time, then its crispiness is getting reduced. So after some time I'll be adding first extract coconut milk. That first extract I have added little by little. I have added it. Now you can see its consistency, and it's very tasty, and its smell is very good, and it is very delicious one. It will go well with rice and chapati. Now we will not be boiling it for more time. Now you can see the consistency. Now put off the stove and it's time to serve it. Now you can serve it to a bowl, and we can serve hot, and it is very tasty. Now garnish it with curry leaf, and this is very tasty food. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be happy to read your comments. Please write your comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.